Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating both devices and signing into their core accounts so data can flow. Connect to the same Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth. This speeds device discovery. Install shared apps, messaging, cloud storage, and calendar. Then grant contacts, photos, and notification permissions. Once done, sync a small sample dataset to confirm access, because verifying early avoids sync conflicts. Make sure each device uses distinct phone numbers or verification methods to keep accounts separate yet interoperable. Next, configure cross-platform apps to act as the bridge between systems. On iPhone, add your Google account and enable contacts and calendar sync so entries update on Android as well. This centralizes events and people. For photos, use Google Photos or Dropbox for unified libraries. Enable automatic backup to avoid manual transfers. Install messaging apps that support multi-device or web clients, and set up two-step verification where available. Once complete, test sending a photo, event invite. To finish, refine settings so the experience feels seamless. Set default email and calendar apps, enable device finders, and create shared folders for documents. Make sure notifications are tuned so you don't miss cross-device messages. Backups should run on both platforms automatically to prevent data loss. If something stops syncing, reauthorize the account in the affected app, force a manual sync, and restart the device. This simple step resolves most permission or token issues and gets the two ecosystems talking again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.